Once again, morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning
morning, ma'am.
again. Good morning. I'll
Good morning,
take a
ma'am.
break. Good morning, beta. I'll take a break of 2 minutes because we have just wind up the lecture, motivation wala. So before I start with this session, let me just admit few of them are in the waiting room. Okay. Uh, all right. Students, there are approximately more than 100 students who have taken admission in SY. Okay. In the common lectures, I have never seen more than 47 or 48 turning up. And means almost 50% students are not attending the class. I don't know if group leaders are already being made in this class. नवीना मैम ने ग्रुप लीडर्स बनाए हैं क्या?
No,
Not
ma'am.
yet.
पहले के जो है वही है.
No, ma'am.
No,
जो पहले
ma'am.
से वही है.
Okay, all right. Let's wait. I hope this week students are attending the class, or else we may have to keep a parents meeting. Not for any complaints or like that, just a general parents meeting. They should also know na, that
Okay, ma'am.
they are happening online and it is from 7:30. Then how is the new exam pattern going to be? So let us keep one online parents meeting. कब रखें आप को डेट बताएंगे? Today is 12, no? Yeah. 15. Can we keep on 15 Thursday?
Okay, ma'am. No problem.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, we will just keep a very small parents meeting, and just me and Navina ma'am will be there, and just a normal discussion. Okay. And maybe they're just like you all are having some issues in online sessions, जैसे boredom या फिर कभी-कभी timing
Ma'am, in
problem,
between your
internet
voice is
issue.
getting low.
Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
now? Now am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, just like since you all are having some complaints of online sessions, we can also get to know from your parents कि उनको क्या मतलब what kind of problems they are facing. We'll try to resolve maximum problems. But about boredom and all, that is something which is students not in our control. Okay, and this year I want some more active students to be a part of cultural committee. Every year we have been forming a good big committee which is comprising of people from organizing team, people who are core cultural group, then media students, then we have a group of IT support. Okay, so this year those students who are interested to be a part of cultural team, please do let me know. We are going to soon form a team,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
we can start. Yeah, so we can start planning some interesting activities.
Okay, ma'am.
Alright. So yeah, all those interested to be a part of it will. I'm going to send one link, which is a WhatsApp link for cultural core group this year, and you all can join that group, and we will be having one small meeting just to interact and to find out what activities we can plan this year. Okay,
Ma'am,
so
we
I'll
will.
send that link very soon. All right.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Fine. Then I start the session. In the last lecture, I think I have completed job enlargement. I'm sharing the screen. Please tell me if it is visible or not. Today, I intend to start with a new answer. Okay. Firstly, a very quick recap to what we have done last week. We started with job design and modern techniques of job design. So we understood what is job design, then we have seen what is job rotation. Okay. And then we have also seen the advantages of job rotation and disadvantages. After that, we started with job enrichment, which is job rotation is wherein the employees shuffle their role with the role of the other member in the same department, so that can avoid monopoly and can avoid boredom. And then we started with job enrichment, where y'all are not shuffling the roles, but then there are motivating factors that are added to your present job system, which may be, giving autonomy in working, giving freedom, means then you're allowing a participation of employees, okay, giving them autonomy in selecting the place they want to work from, time flexibility. So that was job enrichment. Okay. After that, we started with horizontal job enlargement. That means adding on to new responsibilities to your present job. Okay. And then we have seen it is having certain advantages, but more of disadvantages. Okay. Because adding on to new responsibilities to complete the present task may not be necessarily, bringing productivity. In fact, adding on to new duties and responsibilities eventually is going to frustrate the employee. Let us see the last one, which is a very small one, which is work simplification. After this, we will start with a new concept, that is job analysis. Okay, who is going to read this work simplification? Morning में सरिता ने read किया था ना? Mehak, can you read this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Work simplification. Under this method, the job is simplified by breaking it down into small subparts. Each part of the job is assigned to a worker who does the same task over and over
Ma'am, your
again.
voice is breaking.
I am not saying only anything. It is Mehak who is reading. Okay, am I
Ma'am, if
audible?
my voice is breaking.
No, baby, I can hear your voice. It's very loud and clear. Others, can you
Yes,
please
ma'am.
confirm? आप लोग को आवाज आ
Ma'am,
रहा है ना?
maybe
Yes,
Kausar
Yes.
has work activity.
हाँ हाँ. Okay, so we started with work simplification. Now, students, if you remember 14 principles of management, वहाँ पे आपने क्या सीखा था? हेनरी फ्योल ने first principle क्या दिया था? Division of work. You remember that answer? Division of
Yes, ma'am.
work.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
yeah, work should be divided so that no person is overburdened. Number one. Second, you can bring quality into the work. जैसे अगर कोई काम मैं अकेले कर रही हूँ, ओके, तो उसमें मेरा अकेले का ही स्किल्स और इंटेलिजेंस लग रहा है ना, मेरे अकेले के आइडियाज लग रहे हैं. लेकिन वही प्रोजेक्ट मैं महक, फरहान, सरिता, सेजल, आदित्य, इनके सबके साथ मिलके कर रही हूँ. ओके, तो वो प्रोजेक्ट अभी डिवाइड हुआ है हम सबके साथ में. अभी उसके अंदर सबके आइडियाज लगेंगे, सबके स्किल्स लगेंगे. ऑब्वियसली द प्रोजेक्ट विल हैव अ बेटर क्वालिटी, है ना. तो वर्क डिविजन का सबसे बड़ा बेनिफिट क्या होता है? इट ब्रिंग्स क्वालिटी इनटू द वर्क, ओके, एंड नोबडी इज ओवरबर्डन. ओके, तो वर्क सिंप्लीफिकेशन का क्या मीनिंग है? दैट द सेम वर्क, ओके, you can divide amongst the members, okay, and that particular member will do the same task over and over again. जैसे कि एक सिंपल एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं. For instance, we are sales team, okay, so my work in the morning is to fetch the data, okay, of customers details, their mail ID and contact numbers, okay. Then Farhan and Aditya, इनका काम है calling the customers, okay, and generating sales, okay. फिर सेजल और महक का काम है वो सेल्स को प्रोसीड करना, ओके, यानी ट्रांजैक्शंस, ओके. यहाँ पे फरहान और आदित्य ने क्या किया? सिर्फ कस्टमर्स जनरेट किए, ओके, जिसको खरीदना था प्रोडक्ट, ओके, इन्होंने सेल्स किया बेसिकली, एंड कस्टमर्स के लीड्स को जनरेट किया. नाउ सेजल एंड महक इज गोइंग टू डू सेल्स प्रोसीड, ओके, यानी कि ट्रांजैक्शंस. तो वो जो कस्टमर है वो खरीदेंगे प्रोडक्ट, तो फिर उनको प्रोडक्ट पहुंचाना, उनके तरफ से ट्रांजैक्शंस आपके पास मनी ट्रांसफर होना, ये सारा काम महक एंड सेजल करेंगे, ओके. एंड देन एट द एंड ऑफ द डे, ओके, वंस एवरीथिंग इज डन, किसका नाम लिया जाए जिसको मैं जानती? ओके, गौरी. ओके, गौरी इज गोइंग टू डू द रिपोर्टिंग, ओके, जहाँ पे वो मेंशन करेंगे कि मॉर्निंग में कितना डेटा रिशिता ने फेच किया, कितने कॉलिंग्स फरहान और आदित्य ने किए, और उसमें से कितने कस्टमर्स जनरेट किए. फिर सेजल और महक ने कितना ट्रांजैक्शंस कंप्लीट किया, सेल्स प्रोसीड कंप्लीट किया. सो ये पूरा रिपोर्टिंग का काम कौन करेंगे? गौरी करेंगे. अभी स्टूडेंट्स same work, okay, if you notice, this work is very beautifully, simplified and it is divided. अभी ये इनको ये काम करना है, okay, the work is assigned, okay. Eventually, the work will be completed on time, number one. Number two, it will be in quality. Number three, it will generate specialization. Now, students, listen to me very carefully. What do you mean by specialization? If you are doing the same work again and again, obviously you become master in doing that work, right? अगर आप कोई काम डेली करते हो, सेम वर्क, ओके, उसके अंदर आप मास्टर हो जाते हो, करेक्ट ना? डू यू अग्री टू दैट?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so, yes, eventually you are going to become master, and this is going to lead to specialization. Let us see the advantages and the disadvantages of work simplification. Okay, Mehak.
Enables the workers to gain proficiency and fitness as he is involved in doing the repetitive tasks.
Okay, I just said you, okay, you are going to become proficient because you're doing the same work, okay, and it's a repetitive task, so you are going to be very smart at it. Now Farhan and Aditya knows very nicely how to talk to the customer. Now Mehak and Sejal knows how to, complete the sales proceeding. Now Rishika knows how to fetch the data. Okay? Now Gauri knows how to do the reporting. तो क्योंकि हम रोज काम repeatedly same वही कर रहे हैं, we are now very proficient in doing that work. Number two,
Simplification not only enhances the workers' productivity and increases the profitability of the concern.
of course, yes, so we become more productive because we are now masters in doing that work. अच्छा, हमारा काम अच्छा हो रहा है तो फायदा किसको होगा? कंपनी को होगा ना. So company is going to get huge profitability. And last advantage,
As jobs are simplified, the training cost involved is virtually nil.
actually, if you notice the students, everyone has mastered now in doing their own work since it's repetitive. रोज कर करके सीख गए हैं ना, तो अब आपको लगता है उनको ट्रेनिंग की जरूरत है? It's not required. So that means training cost is actually nil. Okay, so these are some advantages of work simplification. Let us see the disadvantages. Okay, Mehak.
Repetition of job often lead to boredom and monotony.
I think this is a common, you can say, disadvantage for almost all of the types of job designs. See, repeated tasks, if you are doing every day, कोई तो पॉइंट आएगा जहाँ पे बोर हो जाएंगे. ये सेम काम, सेम रोज रोज कस्टमर को कॉल करना, आदित्य फरहान एक दिन बोर होने वाला है. सेम मेरे को ही बोलोगे रोज वही डेटा कैप्चर करने और डेटा प्रोवाइड करने में बोर होने वाली है. इवेंचुअली मैं मास्टर तो हूँ उसमें, शायद मेरे जैसा कोई कर भी नहीं पाए, लेकिन इवेंचुअली इट इज गोइंग टू क्रिएट अ बोर्डम, okay, because people would want to explore new things. So this is one of the disadvantage. And then next disadvantage,
Workers may feel disinterested, thereby leading to increased
I
absenteeism.
think this is the major disadvantage. रोज रोज काम करके बोर होना, फिर एक dissatisfaction आना, eventually it is going to increase absenteeism. And I think increased absenteeism is something which is definitely not good for the company. अगर कोई employees absent बार बार रहते हैं तो काम affect होता है ना? So this is my next disadvantage. I hope I did not go very fast since it was very simple. I have
Yes,
completed. Yeah. I take a pause of 30 seconds. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. I think the answer is very simple. Notes भी students simple है ना? मैंने बहुत simple language
Yes,
में
ma'am.
बनाया है.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes,
ताकि आप लोग को कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो. टेक्स्ट बुक में ना बहुत डिफिकल्ट लैंग्वेज में था, तो मैंने कैसे उसका जस्ट थोड़ा सा सिंपल करके आई मेड इट शॉर्ट एंड सिंपल. आई एम गोइंग टू अपलोड दिस इन द गूगल क्लासरूम, okay, and you can refer the notes, keeping it very simple and to the point. All right, guys, I hope you remember this answer. It's a very lengthy answer, by the way. I'll just stop share here and we'll see on the whiteboard. we started in recruitment and selection. We first understood the meaning of recruitment. Okay, that is the process of attracting candidate so that they apply for the job. We have seen the importance of recruitment, right? कि क्यों important है recruitment करना. And then we have started with this answer, which is job design and job redesign, right? And we have seen the meaning of the book. Okay, and after that, just one DSAG. Yeah. After that, we started with modern methods of job design, that is modern techniques. Okay. And modern techniques में first क्या था आप बताएंगे? Come on, you can see the screen and you can say first
Job
one is
Job rotation.
Job
very
rotation.
nice. Very nice. We have seen job rotation. Okay. उसके बाद में come on.
Job
Job
enrichment.
enrichment.
Okay. Very good. And then we have seen
Job
job.
enlargement.
Enlargement.
Okay. Very good students. And last one is
Work
Work
simplification.
simplification.
very good. कोई भी आपसे इसका मीनिंग पूछेगा आप बता पाएंगे ना?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
है ना? What
Yes,
is job
ma'am.
rotation? Y'all are just shuffling. आप मेरे को बताइए आपके लैंग्वेज हिंदी भी बोलेंगे तो भी चलेगा, no issues. You tell me what is job rotation?
Exchange of job with little similar one.
अरे very good. Who answered that? Very nice. Very 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 nice. Okay. किसने आंसर किया वो?
Mehak.
Ma'am,
Very good, Mehak. Okay. Then what is job enrichment? Come on. Come on. We've just seen now what is job enrichment.
I'm giving freedom.
Ah, very nice. You have to remember.
Motivation.
Very nice. You have to remember the exact words, huh? Job enrichment when you are, adding motivating factors to your present job. Okay, याद रखना है, ऐसे याद रखना है आपको. When you add motivating factors, all right, that can be so many. Motivating factors खाली freedom ही नहीं है, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, है ना? तो motivating factors जब आप add करते हो आपके present job में, that is called as job enrichment. Okay, examples of motivating. एक second, ना? I'll just write this here. Motivating factors क्या क्या हो सकता है? Freedom देना, employees को participation, उनके काम में participation देना, decision में participation देना, correct ना? उनको allow करना जहाँ से वो काम करना चाहे, time flexibility देना, all the
Yes, ma'am.
motivating factors that you add. Okay, that is job enrichment. What is job enlargement? Come on.
Adding activities in the job.
Very nice, Sarita. Very good. When you are adding activities, and it should be a horizontal one. Okay. So आप क्या करते हो? You are doing something called as job enlargement. Okay. You add on to the new duties and responsibilities. Okay. So that is job enlargement. And then what is work specification, students? ये तो हमने अभी just complete किया. What is job?
Dividing.
Very nice. Okay, dividing the work, okay, amongst members so that those. अच्छा ये type नहीं हुआ क्या? Okay, अभी हो रहा है ना type? Okay, so you are dividing the work, okay, amongst the members, all right, and the same member is repeatedly going to do the same work every day, which will bring proficiency. लेकिन disadvantage क्या है? रोज same काम करके employee bore होने वाले हैं, which all. Yeah, which also means they are going to remain absent sometimes, which is going to affect the regular working of the company. I hope there is no difficulty in this answer now.
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
All right. I know you all are tired this being the fourth lecture, but can we please start with a new answer, little introduction about it?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I feel very happy teaching in this class. I don't know why. I'm always motivated. The way you keep replying. Thank you so much for being so interactive all the time.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome,
Okay.
ma'am.
All right. So we start with a new concept, which is job analysis. So this is a very interesting concept. Students, let me tell you one thing. In recruitment and selection, the portion is very vast. Okay? You will be learning so many concepts, and you all coming from this, HR background, this specialization in HR. You need to know all these concepts thoroughly. Okay? आपको एकदम अच्छे से आना चाहिए ये concepts. Okay, since this is your core specialization that you have opted for, all these concepts you should know thoroughly. कोई भी आपसे पूछे what is job simplification, what is job enlargement, what is recruitment, you should know everything. Okay? It does not mean कि आप एकदम एकदम ब्यूटीफुली बहुत अच्छे इंग्लिश में एक पैराग्राफ लिख के दे दो या बोल दो. दैट इज नॉट वी आर लुकिंग आउट फॉर. आप कॉन्सेप्ट्स कितने अच्छे से समझते हो वो इम्पोर्टेंट है. ओके, so please concentrate. All right, we move on to the next one. This is one of the most important area in HR studies. Okay, that's job analysis. कभी भी कहीं पे भी जाओगे तो JD JS करके सुनोगे आप. JD is job description and JS is job specification. So we are going to see that. Let us first understand the definition of job analysis. Okay, Mehak, can you read that?
Yes, ma'am. According to Edwin B. Flippo, job analysis is the process of studying and collecting information relating to the operation and responsibilities of a specific job.
Okay, I think it is explained in a most simple language. Okay, what is job analysis? पहले तो analysis का meaning समझ. Analysis करना यानी study करना. Okay, when you say I am analyzing this project, okay, so what are you doing, students? You are studying that project. Okay, so कभी-कभी हम बोलते हैं ना, I want to analyze the student's real problem. So that means I am trying to study what is the problem of students. To analyze means to study. Okay, so Edwin Flippo, he says that what is job analysis? It is a process of studying and collecting information. Okay, because it is analysis, तो study ही होगा. तो आप क्या करते हो? Information gather करते हो. Okay, so that you relating to the operations and responsibilities of a specific job, so that you know कि इस job के लिए क्या क्या activities लगेंगे और क्या qualities लगेंगे. I'm repeating. What are you doing? You are collecting the information so that you know that what activities would be required to complete that work and what kind of quality people would you require. Simple example with you. If I'm running a company, and if I, for instance, I'm in the marketing team, okay, और मुझे sales generate करना है, the work to be done is to generate sales. ये मैंने identify, मैं marketing में हूँ, मुझे sales department दिया गया है, तो sales department का काम क्या होता है? Students to generate sales. Okay, हमें रोज अपने targets achieve करने हैं. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल कंपनी ने सेट किया कि दिन में 100 मोबाइल फोन तो आपको बेच के बताना है. To sell 100 mobile handsets is the work of the sales department. अब मैं sales manager हूँ. Okay, अब मैं डिजाइन करूंगी something called as job analysis करूंगी. सबसे पहले तो कि I need to understand ये 100 मोबाइल फोन अगर मुझे बेचना है तो किस तरीके की एक्टिविटीज करनी पड़ेगी. ओके, वो वर्क कंप्लीट करने के लिए. जैसे कि मुझे शायद 5 लोग लगेंगे टेलीफोनिक कॉलिंग करके लोगों को मोबाइल फोन्स के बारे में बताना, राइट, और उसे सेल्स प्रमोट करना, राइट. So I might require 5 people to continuously, dedicatedly work on, telephonic sales. I need 5 people to collect the data. Okay, sales करने, कस्टमर को कॉल करने के लिए कस्टमर का डेटा तो चाहिए ना. तो 5 people to generate the data, 5 people to generate the sales, 5 people to do sales proceeding यानी transactions complete करना, and maybe 2 people to complete the reporting work. अब मैंने क्या किया, ये आइडेंटिफाई किया कि भाई मुझे सेल्स करने के लिए ये एक्टिविटी करना पड़ेगा. आई हैव टू फेच द डेटा, I have to call the customer, I have to do sales proceeding, and I have to do reporting. So this was my job description. ये क्या था students, मेरा job description था. क्या क्या duties and responsibilities करना पड़ेगा, that becomes my job description. Now second part, okay, यहाँ पे देखो definition में लिखा है responsibilities. My second part is job specification. अब मेरे को आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि मैंने ये जो काम निकाल के रखा है ना, डेटा फेच करना, कॉलिंग करना, सेल्स जनरेट करना, सेल्स प्रोसीड करना, इसके लिए मुझे किस टाइप के कैंडिडेट्स लगेंगे, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ एम्प्लॉयज डू आई रिक्वायर. Minimum HSC pass, good in communication, should be able fluent in Hindi, English and Marathi, okay, should be confident when he is talking, should be, you know, someone who can communicate and provoke the customer to do the sales. ये मैंने क्या किया स्टूडेंट्स, आइडेंटिफाई किया ना कि क्या क्या क्वालिटीज लगेगा वो कैंडिडेट के अंदर टू कंप्लीट द वर्क डन, उसे क्या बोलते हैं, जॉब स्पेसिफिकेशन. Job analysis is equal to job description plus job specification. I hope it is simple to understand.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very simple. Take the whiteboard so that it becomes even more simple for you to understand. Sharing the अभी आप क्या स्टडी कर रहे हो, यू आर स्टडीइंग जॉब एनालिसिस, ओके, व्हिच मींस टू स्टडी द जॉब, राइट? यस और नो?
Yes, ma'am.
टू स्टडी द जॉब एस्पेक्ट्स, यानी कि आपको जब पर्टिकुलर जॉब करना है, इफ यू आर अ मैनेजर, तो आपको पहले क्या करना पड़ेगा, आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना पड़ेगा कि क्या क्या एक्टिविटीज करना है, राइट? व्हाट ऑल वुड बी द एक्टिविटीज रिक्वायर्ड, plus what kind of people, okay, can do that, right? So this is called as job analysis. In short, in HR term, job analysis is equal to job description plus job specification, okay, JD plus JS. तो JD क्या होता है, what is JD? You are going to identify the duties, responsibilities या activities या operations word use कर सकते हो to complete the work, okay, that is called as JD. ये चीज ये आप पहले आइडेंटिफाई करते हो कि ये काम करने के लिए मुझे क्या क्या ड्यूटीज, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज, ऑपरेशंस ऐड करना होगा. That is called as, okay, somebody is calling, 1 minute. Okay. I'm so sorry guys, कुछ ने कॉल कर दिया था. Okay, तो जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन क्या है, उस जॉब से रिलेटेड मुझे क्या क्या करना होगा, that is called as job description. And what is job specification? Okay, all the qualities required, एक second, huh? Qualities required, okay, to complete this activities, okay, in what qualities will be required in the employees is called as job specification. Okay, that वो employee का इतना qualification होना चाहिए, ऐसा skills होना चाहिए, ऐसा experience होना चाहिए, उसे बोलते हैं job specification. I hope there is no difficulty in understanding job analysis.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
I
No,
think
ma'am.
I'll stop here. I'll not take further. But you just tell me, what is job analysis? JD plus JS. Okay, remember this, job description plus job specification.
Specification.
Yeah. So first you identify the activity, and second you identify what kind of people would be required to complete that activity. That is called as job specification. I hope it is very simple to understand, students.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I think then I'll
Yes,
stop
ma'am.
here. I don't want to keep it very heavy because इसके पहले आपने theory भी study किया है. Please remember both the answers. Equity theory हमने आज complete कर दिया, and we also started with in recruitment and selection. We completed work simplification, and we have started with job analysis. हमने main part, okay, concept का main हिस्सा हमने समझ लिया कि what is job description and what is job specification. Okay, then I think I stop here. And thank you so much for being so interactive, and even in the fourth lecture, you all are answering very nice students. Very proud of you all.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Thank
I'll
you,
end the
ma'am.
session. You all have a nice day
Thank you.
ahead.
Have a nice day, ma'am. Take care.
Take care. Bye bye.
Ma'am, we
Bye,
have to
ma'am.
inform you about the culture if you have to
Huh.
take part in that.
Yes. I will be. Actually, we already have one small group, which matlab like some members are already there in that group. Okay, who are your seniors now? जो अभी थर्ड ईयर में है ना वो लोग, तो उनको I'll tell them to create a WhatsApp group, okay, and we will add few members. तो हमें ना कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग स्टूडेंट और चाहिए जो कल्चरल में बहुत एक्टिव रहे. So I will update you when are we going to create that group, and okay, so I'll update you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
We
ma'am.
will
All right, guys.
Yes,
Okay, guys. Okay.
ma'am.
Bye
Thank
bye.
you so much. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Bye,
beta.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.